put it right here. Yep, right there, right there, right there. It's right here. No, just put it right next to me, right there. So it's crazy. Okay, so first thing I get out is my strawberry milk. So, you can see, it has tape here, and I can feel it in the back. I think because she doesn't want it to break. I think that was the only one, but it's okay. At least you put tape for it doesn't now. If it doesn't break, and let's see how squishy it is. Oh my god, it's so slow rising. I love it. Super love it. Love it a lot. Just look at it. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so squishy. So yeah. I don't know if the camera's gonna focus on this. So this is squishy. It is so squishy. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm gonna smell it. It smells like strawberry. It smells like a strawberry, and it cost, let's see, let's move that away, and it cost strawberry milk right there, $21. So my mom paid this for $21. Bless you. Okay. Aw, that's my baby sister. Okay, so it's squishy so here, and it's very slow rising too. Look. Oh, and yeah. So here it is. Just hear it. Wait. Just hear that. This is so squishy. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. So I'm gonna put it right here. Right there. Next is, oh my god, I think this is my Frappuccino. Look at this. It has little holes in it, but it's okay because I love it. Like that, it's a great decoration. And I think this was a straw here. It's okay because now this looks like a real Frappuccino. So it says Lucio Squishies, and it says hot coffee. And it's not hot coffee, but okay, but it's a Frappuccino. And it says a fresh breed. Yeah. Let's give it a squish. I'm so excited to squish it. Let's squish it, and oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cool. Look at it. Can you hear it here? Wait, let me just let it slow rise for a second. Okay. So cool. Even smells so good. So let me just smell it. They say it smells so good, and it smells delicious. So let me put this over here if it doesn't bother. But you don't focus on that thing, or it just scares you. Oh my god, look at this. This is so squishy. Let me see. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god. Just put all the cream down there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Like, I love that. And it's kind of defected here. Just, can you focus? It's defected. It's just defected. Right. Whatever. So, yeah. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one I'm picking up, I'm going to show you. It's in this bag. the one right here. Look, this is my finger. Okay, I'll take it out until I see it. Okay, I'm not lucky. You guys get a first peek. It feels so weird. And why does it have tape in it? Okay, but okay. Okay, so yeah, let me look in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. What happened to this one? This one is poor. Look at the face. The face has been ruined. Look at that. And it's kind of affected. Oh my god. And the eyebrow, the only thing in the face. And it has tape so it doesn't break. And has a broken piece there. Oh my god, this is very defected. I think I'm gonna contact them. Oh, this is a Shopkin. Okay, I think this is like the first wrong one. And it's not slow rising. And it says Squish Delicious. Very poor, not good. No, this is not. It's not even squishy. Like, it does not look squishy enough because like it's not slow rising at all. Like one, two. Slow rising. It smells good.
Se fue ya que ni te no enseñé eso para que el niño no coja eso. Ya. Sí, está bien le da. Ahora ya Jalina, manda eso.
No, ella dio papá.
Ah,
Ella dio papá, sí, no eso. Next, that was my dad. Sorry. No. See?
el huevo está atrás afuera.
Oh.
¿Eh?
Uh-huh.
¿Lo va a dejar ahí?
See?
¿Y no se rompe?
No? It's like that, papi. Okay, so this is the Katamochika. The Frappuccino in pink. So this one, Frappuccino in pink. It costs, if I said it, $10.20. And this one called this squishing. The strawberry cheesecake was $26.15. So yeah, let's get to the other one. So the other one is the first peek. Oh, I think it's defective. Let me see in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, this is defected. For this little tiny one, yeah, this is the only one. It's the only thing it could be defective. So this is very defected. But I like to delete the marks here. You know, I could put hot glue and that's it, but it's gonna be like kind of a little bit hard, like. So I'm just gonna leave it like that until it gets off. So yeah, this is the. Put it right there. Wait, right there. This is the blueberry donut for $19.20 for this little tiny one, $19. Kind of broken and not slow rising at all. I hate when they don't slow rise. Yeah, let me just smell it. Oh my god, guys, look what I saw. It's broken. Damn. Well, this one's okay. I don't think I'm gonna contact them because it's not that bad. I got some package time. Oh, okay. He's trying to make my sister laugh, like that. Okay, so this is so. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yeah. So this is how effective it is. So yeah, it costs $19.28. $19.20. The next one is I don't know, I'm just taking it out. Random. Oh my god, this is so cute, but I can't see that it's very effective. Look at this. Look at that. It doesn't even move. I'm scared of the ribs now. My worst fear to be scared in the entire ribs. Okay, so broken, and let's give it. And first, let me show you this. What happened here? I don't get this. What happened there? I'm gonna smell it. Wait. It smells so good. It smells like delicious. Very good. Inside it smells so good. So let's give it a squish. Oh my god, it's about to rip. Oh my god, I was gonna rip. And like right here, if you don't like this squishy, you could just get a bunch of foam. So it's about to bring.
Ahí a buscar lechita. Papi, va a buscarte lechita. Vamos a buscar lechita.
Okay, so let's see.
¿Qué haces, Jalinita?
Squishies! My package. No, you didn't hear me? I heard. Oh my god, it's staying right there. So this is what it is. This is how squishy it is. This is slow rising and it smells so. I think this is my favorite so far, but kind of. And this is the cutest one so far. So yeah, let's take this one over here. And oh, forgot. Sorry. How much this cost? Is that one cost? Where is that? Oh, Pink Panda, $15. $15.92. So this is straight, like maybe too much. It looks like I'm poking slime, and it feels like I'm poking slime, and I love poking it. So yeah, next one. Wait, and look at this. This is funny because like it's the like it's the same thing. It's like the same thing as my the same inch. And now,
Ay, señor.
no, arriba.
Ay, señor.
Next. Next squishy is, oh my god, I feel like a jumbo one. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wait, take this thing out. Oh my goodness, that thing is not important, but just look. It's still there. Yeah, perfect. No, you know what? Just gonna get that there. Throw. There. So this one, oh my god, look at that one. I can't wait to squish it. And like you can see right there, it's effective. So this is the chocolate pie for $31. This is like the most expensive one.